Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM card and the exact PIN you will use now. Power down the phone to protect the card and avoid accidental writes. Remove the tray carefully. Once the SIM is accessible, compare the card number to any carrier paperwork so you use the correct PIN. Make sure you have a small SIM eject tool or unfolded paperclip at hand. This prevents bending the tray and gives you a clean, safe start to change or enter the PIN. With the SIM seated, power the phone back on and wait for the PIN prompt. Enter the existing PIN exactly, then press OK. 3 wrong tries lock the SIM. If you want to change it, go to Settings, Security or Lock Screen, then SIM Card Lock and choose Change SIM PIN. You will be asked for the current PIN again and then to enter a new 4-8-digit PIN twice. Use a memorable, but not obvious number to reduce lockouts. Once the new PIN is accepted, restart and test calls, texts, and mobile data to confirm full functionality. If you lock the SIM by entering the wrong PIN 3 times, the phone will request a PUK code. Obtain that from your carrier or account portal. Be cautious. Entering the wrong PUK repeatedly can permanently disable the SIM. If problems persist, contact your carrier for a replacement SIM or PUK details, and make sure your account verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.